I'm Elizabeth, and I'm delighted to welcome you to Charter College. I teach the Microsoft Office business courses, especially Microsoft Excel. My job is to take these skills to work. We create spreadsheets and practice them in a way that makes sense. Why Microsoft Excel? Because these are important business skills, so you can get your work done. Here at Charter College, I get to teach online. I also get to work with a team of people who help me be successful. Oh, there is a team that helps you as well, the Student Success Team. What is the benefit of working with all these good people? We get jobs. So well done, Charter College, 40 years of improving people's lives. Thank you for inviting me to be a part of this.